Today we are going to make saffron powder from scratch. Firstly, taking it up from my yard, washing it, grating it, drying it, blending it. Let's go. So after I washed it properly, I give it another wash, and then I'm going to add some boiling hot water just in case I didn't take off all the germs, because remember I just dug this up from my yard, so I want to make sure it's cleaned properly because I'm not removing the skin to dry the saffron. Okay, so now once that is soaked and pat dry, I am going to start to put it into my blender. You can grate this or put it in your food processor, and you're going to blend it. It's more like a rough chop you're looking for. And that's the last bit of it. Well, depending on how hot where you're living at, you can dry this within 3 to 7 days. And this is what we have. A whole bowl full. So I'm going to put this to dry for. So this is what it looks like. Around 2 hours in the sun. And so this is the first day. This is the ending of the first day. Really looking good. Stay tuned for day 2. I just wanted to show you, I'm at day 4, and I just said let me just give it one more day. I was going to try and go 7, but it's not necessary because the past 3 days has been really hot, right? So this is day 4, and I decided just to give it at least one more day, and then the rain decided to come, so I'm not going to continue that. But let me just show you what it looks like at day 4, okay? Nice and dry. Okay, not nice and really dry. So now I'm going to blend it up. But funny enough, you know what? Electricity has gone, and it is nationwide. So I guess there's something massive happened. I don't know. So when the electricity is back, I am then going to blend them. So at day 4, it's totally dry. And you see how much it has shrunk down to it looks like, whoa, we're gonna have so much of saffron powder. Reality check, once it has dried up, if we get a cup out of this, we get plenty. So I'll see you back when time to blend this baby up. Alright, so this is after drying for 34 days. But as I said, it was completely dry by the 3rd day. So I'm going to just dry it now. Alright, so we finish. And my saffron powder is ready to be used. It's ready to be used. So try doing it on your own. And you know what's in there. You know the process. All homemade, natural, nothing in there. Thanks for watching.